welcome back to Island Life Live. Now joining us today is a true visionary in the Hawaii beauty industry, a master artist who treats every face as a unique canvas and lives by the philosophy, your beauty is our signature. And she is the founder of Honolulu's premier award-winning specialty beauty boutique, EN Signature Brows and Beauty Studio. We want to welcome the very brilliant Elizaveta Neginskaya. Thank you, Lisa, for being here.
Aloha, Lena. Thank you so much for having me here again.
I know, and the reason why is because we need to congratulate you. Congratulations to EN Signature Brows and Beauty Studio on being voted one of the best of Hawaii's aesthetic centers. Anybody you want to say a mahalo to?
Of course. Thank you so much, first and foremost, for supporting us, KATV, and all of our followers and everyone that's voted for us throughout the years. This is our 4th year to be voted as the best of Hawaii.
Well, you know, I've been to EN Signature a number of times, and I get it. I know why you folks won this award. It's just an incredible experience. And you folks are also celebrating another important milestone, 10 years in business.
Yes, it's been a decade.
Yes.
I can't believe it. Time flies.
And thinking back to how it all started, what does this 10-year mark mean for you?
Well, it took a lot of perseverance and a vision. Persevision, that's what I like to call it. And I had a dream, you know, to help support people to feel comfortable and confident in their own skin, to curate a skincare line that is organic and botanical and can be used for all skin types, and especially living in Hawaii, very humid. So I was really focused on creating a skincare line that is lightweight and pure.
Absolutely, and you did all of this as a single mom. You are amazing. You know, when people are walking through the doors, what is it that EN Signature, whether it's the studio, the skincare line, or even the special kits, what is it that makes you folks different and unique?
Well, one thing that I'm very extremely passionate about is education. You know, I love to learn, and I love to pass that on to anyone who walks in through our doors, including our staff, including all the team members. I love to educate people on how to use skincare products specifically for their skincare needs.
And you actually make it very easy for us because you put together these incredible kits. It's like everything that's needed for your face.
So a must is a nice lightweight cleanser that is very effective, a nice exfoliant that's gentle enough to be used pretty much daily. And vitamin C is absolute must, living here in Hawaii, to protect your skin from sun damage and to reverse the hyperpigmentation and sun discoloration on the skin. And of course, a lightweight, effective moisturizer that doesn't feel heavy.
Thank you so much for these kits. And you even made it for TSA. You have a TSA stamped, approved kit that has all of these goodies in it, right?
Yes, this is very exciting. It's very new to us. When people are traveling, they're coming in to Hawaii, and if they need a nice skincare line that they love to try, but they don't want to just be committed to a full-size skincare product line, this is the way. Or if they want to take a gift to their loved ones from Hawaii, take the glow with you.
Take the glow with you. I love that.
Take the glow wherever you go.
So congratulations on 10 years, Lisa. What are we looking at in the next 10 years? Because I know that you've been officially certified as an SBA, Small Business Administration, women-owned small business. That's a huge milestone for you. What are we going to see in the next 10 years?
So in the next 10 years, Lena, what my passion has always been is really contributing, and with this skincare line, I'd love to distribute it to many different places in order to help other local organizations, you know, that really need the funds.
You would like to connect with community businesses? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, absolutely. I would love to connect with local community businesses, organizations, to fund them and to help and support them. Because
that's beautiful. I love that.
I've just felt very blessed you know, and I want to pour that out, pour that love out.
Yes. Beautiful. Well, this is how you do it, family. Make sure you reach out to en-beauty.com, right?
That's right.
Yeehaw. Elizaveta Neginskaya, Ian's signature brows and beauty studio. There's a reason why she is one of the best here in Hawaii.